Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Yesterday I have discussed pound, US dollar, the monthly time frames and the weekly. So today I want to discuss it in further detail, obviously because market moved very nicely. Just have a look at it. A very nice move it gave today from 23.6 and Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So let's find out. Let's change the color as well. I think uh, it should be fine. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you at the beginning of this session is that these are educational sessions and I usually like this is the second episode of pound US dollar today. So these are educational and I will be trying to cover as many topics as I can because obviously I want to uh, give enough education to the beginner traders. Let's change the color to something nice. And I'm speaking a bit less loud, I should say, because it's night time right here, almost like 2 9 a.m. Everyone is sleeping, so I'm talking very slowly. Okay, so my friends, pound dollar, obviously 1.22779. Those Fibonacci traders were like will be happy who took this trade 153 pips, right? So yesterday I discussed the market just till the daily time frame, and I said that I will cover the rest of the time frames. Let's see where this ABCD pattern will complete. Okay, nice one, no doubt, a very nice one. And obviously it is pointing up. Hmm. So like this is now the actual story. Let me think about it. If on the H4 it is showing me that like it reversed from 61.8% retracement from here. This is like kind of a problem, I should say. Well, yes, this is a problem. Just have a look at this chart. No. Yes, it's fine. This one's fine. Let's see on this chart. This one and that one. Both are like far away from each other, so let's drag it here. It will be fine now. This was the previous story. This is, oops, this is the previous story. This is the yesterday's story, this one. So let's see that on the H4, and let's have a look at the market with the perspective of H4 time frame right here, with the Fibonacci obviously, and my all-time favorite pattern, the ABCD pattern. So here is the completion. And trend lines, if you remember, we have covered that uh, in a separate video obviously. Now on the daily, if we see on the H4, it is clearly telling me that it's going to retest 1.25155. So now, my friends, it is getting a little bit more technical, I should say. On the H4, price is telling us that it's going up till 1.25155. On the daily, it is telling us that it will be coming back down from right here till right here. (61.8% retracement). This is now the whole actual story. And let me mark this area as well. Now this tiny ABCD pattern tells me a break of which structure. Just pay close attention of this structure, right? And the ABCD pattern that is projected for the future is telling us a breakout of this structure, which clearly means that no doubt pound dollar is on a clear uptrend, and it should be clear. Okay, now the most important thing is this level. Obviously, this is a, like, everyone is talking about this level these days because it's a resistance level, and usually at resistance levels, forex traders tends to sell the market. So now again there are like two concepts. Let's see how many concepts there are. The first one is obviously this breakout thing I discussed, and the second thing is this tiny pattern. See this one. Let me delete this Fibonacci. This tiny pattern, which is obviously pointing up till 1.25155. Now let's see that level on a weekly. Wow, that is super amazing. See this ABCD, the daily pattern, sorry, the weekly and the daily pattern ABCD. very, very key level, obviously, very, very key level on September 20th, 2020. And then a very sudden, huge drop all the way from 30th May 2021 till 25th September 2022. Like, good span of time. So this tiny ABCD pattern, if you see, is completing at 1.25056, and the area is so much important to me because, as I have told you, no doubt if we lose a trade or if we win a trade, but rules are rules, my friend. Even if the trend is still up, at a resistance, if the strategy suggests us to take a sell, and if we find enough uh, room or enough evidence, then why not taking a sell trade? Excuse me. So I see a potential of around 100 pips right here. 100 pips. And this is obviously for sure an uptrend. So a sell from 1.25155 with a very tight stop loss, I should say, for the short-term traders. Obviously on H4, it is not advised to sell at this particular price point. And it is also not advised to take a buy trade right here, okay? If you want to take a buy trade right now on pound US dollar, what you will need to do is you have to wait for this particular trade setup 1.23323, and stop loss it will have this much, and the take profit it will have will be around, let's see, with a stop loss of 82 pips, take profit of 153 pips, and even if the trend continue there, that will be a further bonus. So my friends, this is a little bit about this present market of the pound dollar. I hope you will understand these concepts which I have decided to teach you, and to provide information about those things. Obviously, these patterns, it's not very easy to identify the proper direction of the market, but with the passage of time, you will be getting better. You will be getting better, better, better. But my friends, obviously, like rules are rules, and discipline is discipline. If you are disciplined enough, and if you follow your rules, and if you learn something, if you are eager to learn something, then I'm sure you will learn this whole process very, very soon, almost very, very soon. You will become better traders, you will take better trading decisions professionally. And one thing I usually and always tell you is that here I don't give any trade signals or setups like that. I don't tell anyone to trade, or no, not at all. I just give knowledge and share what I know about the market, what I think about the market. So if you follow me for these sessions, definitely I will be uploading such content on regular basis, because usually at this time I'm free. Uh, kids are sleeping, and I'm completely free. Sometimes, like 3 days a week, I can do these videos. Let's see, maybe I can do it daily, but only if I get enough feedback from all of you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.